It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a casemate protective case that I absolutely love for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now you guys, I love this case particularly because it offers 10-foot drop test protection. That's a big deal for us with iPhones because we already know they're investments. So this is going to give you that extra security. I also love the designs this case has. So this is called the Karat design, and you can tell why. It's got almost this ombre effect of crushed carat gold. It's gorgeous. I also love how the protection is visible on the corners of the case. So if you take a look, you're going to notice they actually have little bumpers that come out ever so slightly. And this really does help if you drop your case face down. It gives you a distance from the actual device and the case. So that's a great feature as well. All the buttons are covered. You got the volume and the power button covered. And fortunately, you have the mute button open so you can turn it off and on very easily. So let me go ahead and show you this case on my phone. So there you have the case on against the white and silver iPhone, and I think it's stunning, you guys. I'm going to show you all those details close up that I already talked about. You got these bumpers here. The buttons are covered. Mute button is accessible. Charging and speaker. And then, of course, that power button as well. It's just an absolutely gorgeous case. If you guys are on the fence about this case, I would jump off it. I think you're going to love it because I sure do. That's my point of view.